Those smart glasses used for real-time hands-free guidance have been around for a while, but there's been a major limitation, and that has been that a person needs to be in the loop to write down the coded text about what the instruction steps are, and that takes a lot of time. But what if we could have AI do that for us? So Professor Lijiang at Stanford has developed an AI XR co-pilot to assist technicians and robots in bench workflows. And the video here is showing a expert technician who is wearing smart glasses. And the AI is actually looking at the video through his smart glasses and be able to do object recognition as to what all the tools are, what the objects are, be able to take his gestures and know what procedures he's doing, and then using that to automatically generate the tasks. And while there are some more tedious tasks like this spinning there, it's able to hand off those more tedious tasks to a robotic arm, while the expert is able to go and do their own more value-added tasks. So really, it's the AI, the agentic AI, that's coordinating tasks between the human and the robot. So it's multi-agent, self-evolving, using vision language model for creating lab workflows and giving its own AI-generated instructions of text and images. And the proof of concept benefits are some of these workflows for pharma or creating very complicated chemical recipes, or even if you're assembling a consumer device, there's a lot of very intricate process steps. And some of the limitations on having staff be flexible and who you can schedule is the training time for that staff. And some of the limitations on being able to take on new products are having the staff being trained. So you can see how having this hands-free AI XR co-pilot can really make it faster for training, allow more products to be done, and also allow for more collaboration with a robot.